Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Vega Bolt helmet visor. First, gather your tools, a small flathead screwdriver and your new visor. Make sure your helmet is clean and resting on a soft, stable surface to avoid any damage during the process. Handling the visor by its edges will help prevent smudges or scratches on the clear viewing area. This simple preparation ensures a smooth and easy replacement. Now, let's remove the old visor. On each side of your Vega Bolt helmet, you will find the visor mechanism. Use your small flathead screwdriver to gently pry open the small locking tab or lever. There are typically 2 tabs, one on each side. Once unlocked, carefully slide the old visor straight out from its attachment points. Take your time to avoid forcing anything, ensuring no damage to the helmet's mechanism. With the old visor removed, it's time to install your new one. Carefully align the new Vega Bolt visor with the attachment slots on both sides of the helmet. Gently push the visor into place, applying even pressure until you hear a distinct click, indicating it's securely seated. Double-check that both sides are properly engaged and locked into their respective mechanisms. This step is crucial for a safe and functional visor. Before you ride, perform a few final checks. Open and close the new visor several times to ensure smooth operation and proper movement. Verify that the visor seals properly against the helmet's rubber gasket when fully closed, preventing wind and water entry. Finally, clean your new visor with a soft, lint-free cloth and a mild cleaning solution to ensure crystal-clear visibility. Enjoy your refreshed helmet.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.